food, yo.
Alright.
I'm hungry, yo. Hold on, shit. Yeah, brother. I'm there, man. Just I get some food with beer. Just eat. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm there. Yo, hold on.
Yeah, babe, they ain't had your juice.
Who's this?
Who is that?
Who's this texting you?
Give me my phone.
Who's it?
Nigga,
I know who's it.
phone, nigga.
I know who's it. Hold on.
Babe,
I know the
Hey,
number.
give me-
I'm about to call it, damn. Give me my phone. This is your ex. Why your ex texting you? Hold on.
babe, give me my
This nigga
phone.
sending pictures too. Hold on. Sending picture. I'm about to ask what this
Give me my
want. Hold on.
God, babe.
Oh no, this nigga just sent a dick picture. Dick and pussy picture.
Hey!
No. What this nigga need?
No.
Yeah. So
I
why your
don't
pussy
know.
up there? I heard his dick down there.
He in jail.
I'm about to call this damn nigga. I'm about to call this damn nigga. Yo, brother, that's why they forward that road. Just know say you're dead, man. I'm big dead. I'm my woman now.
Hey, you're not even talking to nobody. Why you play so much?
I was just practicing so and I actually call him. I know what to say.
That nigga in jail. You can't call that nigga back.
Yo, I hope that nigga not coming out, right?
I don't know.
Hey guys, thank you for watching another Yaadvybz video. Make sure you like, comment.
Subscribe and share. And also add me on Instagram. I am LadyMac_.
And if you want your wig done, she do it too.
Adeline. It's right on my page. Thank you.